Oh, there it goes. You little shits.
Bandit. Bandit.
Miss Tail was it?
What the fuck are you doing, Bandit? Oh, Ash, you don't get a hide by Dad because Bandit got up. You chicken shit.
Oh, cool. I gotta poop. That's what it is.
Thanks for sharing.
You're welcome. Yeah, I really need to go to the doctor's.
You got it coming, Ash. You started it.
Yeah, Ash.
I'm gonna let Bandit kick your ass. He's like, how do you like it? Has Bandit suplexed Ash like around you yet?
I haven't seen it because they usually scrap in the bedrooms.
Oh.
Yeah.
You'll just hear a loud thump. That's usually Bandit suplexing Ash.
Yeah, I've heard them before where it's just like that, and I'm like, what the fuck was that? And then it's like, it's Ash and Bandit, and I'm like, yeah, I know.
Being shits.
Yeah.
Thump.
That's what I should have done. I should have just touched that goddamn item so it would have completed all of this. I would have just went to the dream.
Nope, I'm good.
Why the